this is it. We picked up our camper from where we store it month to month, and we are now officially taking it to the land. We've got our dogs, so pardon all the panting. We're gonna go close out our contract here so we don't have to pay $200 a month anymore to park. And we are headed to Alabama, folks. So this is our big boy Bane. He is a pit mix. That is Cookie. She is full pit. We found her, she was a stray. That's Bailey. She is 8 years old. We got her from the pound. And we currently have Triton riding with his dad in the front. Because I just can't fit 4 in here with the generator in the back.
Put him in the camper, please. Well, you're responsible for him. I have to set a fence. This one's like no fucking.
Touch him off. Look at him. What is this place? It's amazing. Come on, baby butt. Is Triton in the car? What is it? Look at them dogs.
Where's the goddamn oil go?
I'll help you in just a second, baby. Triton. Triton. Probably be able to hear me, but we got our generator up and running. Of course, we have an old wrap, does us no good here. But we're about to get the camper cooled down, get the siding pushed out so we can cool off a little bit, have some water. We just got here, and then we're gonna start building the fence for the dogs. So it's a little janky. The grass is starting to grow back again, and we only got enough for a very short fence. So we're just pretty much wrapping it around the camper so the dogs can have a little place to go, so we can work on the land a little bit. It's not beautiful, it's not permanent, but it is what it is. No, you don't.
God damn it. It's gonna be easier with something different. Something's different. Something just changed.
We're down to our last spool. Our temporary fence is almost done. Like the husband said, we are losing sunlight. But we have a good bit done. We just are really wanting a little spot for the dogs to use the bathroom right in front of the camper. Our generator's going, so this video is going to be, it's going to have a lot of noise pollution in the back. However, we have AC. It's so hot today and humid. So more video to come. Hey, we're still working on the fence. We were prepared to not have the gates. We just had the fencing part. But if you look behind me, it's a beautiful mobile home on our property. that hodgepodge of siding. We pulled off a piece and we're gonna try to rig it into a door. So, like my husband says, it ain't stupid if it works. We're gonna try it. Well, let's just see how it goes. And there it is, folks. That's gonna be our gate for now. Just temporary. That's all it is. Ain't pretty, just has to work for now. Just so we can get our dogs here and with us while we're working. So, unfortunately, I think the best part of the video was this. My husband did not bring his drill, so he marked the gate. He marked the gate with a pencil and shot it with his gun. And I missed it because my phone had gotten too hot and it had to cool down. So, that just happened. This is our new gate!
Primitive, but it'll work.
Oh, I love it! All right, baby. We got the fence, we got some tiki torches, and we got some landscape lighting.
And the fire pit. Just haven't lit it yet. We don't have a lot of wood. Not bad for a day one.
Day one. We got the fence set for the dogs, so we can take them here and work on the land.
200 feet of field fence, 25 T-posts in 5 hours. So our dogs have a spot to poop. I'd call it a win for a day one.
Eating a nice home cooked meal.
Yeah.
Potato salad and hot dogs.
Yeah.